Good morning students. So in the previous class we were discussing the lesson number 3, that is Kolkata, and in this lesson already we have discussed about the location and the climate of the Kolkata, next government offices which are located in Kolkata, economic utility services and transport services in Kolkata, people, culture and food of Kolkata. Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss the remaining part of this lesson, like monument and places of Kolkata and amusement park, shopping malls and markets, and they have given 4 questions here. So if we complete all of these, this lesson will be finished. So let's get started. Monuments and places. And places. So see here, the famous, first point is the famous Howrah Bridge. The famous Howrah Bridge is built over the river. Which river? Over the river Hooghly. Hooghly is the name of river which is located in Kolkata. Okay. Hooghly, H-L-Y. Okay. Now the second one, that is the Victoria Memorial. Memorial is a beautiful monument. Victoria Memorial. And the famous garden, the famous Eden Gardens. Eden Gardens, cricket ground. Is also located there. Okay. And the botanical garden also. Botanical garden is known for its banyan trees. Okay. So next, Shantiniketan. And other educational institutions. Institutions are famous. Famous worldwide. Okay. Okay, so see here, these are some important First one, there are many places worth visiting in Kolkata, of course, because Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal, so you can say that you can see many places. Many places are very beautiful, are there in Kolkata, which are worth visiting. So some of them very important, like the famous Howrah Bridge. It is called a Howrah Bridge. You can see the Howrah Bridge in this picture. You can see it's a very huge and beautiful bridge which is built over the river called Hooghly. Hooghly ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ನದಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನು ಹೌರಾ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಕಟ್ಟ್ಯಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ದ ಹೌರಾ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಾ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಇದ್ದರು, ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇನು ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕಟ್ಟ್ಯಾರ, ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಮಾನ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್, ದ ಮಾನ್ಯುಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟ್ಯಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ದ ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಾ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವರ್ತ್ ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಎಡನ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ಸ್ cricket ground. A cricket ground is there, that is called as Eden Gardens. It is also located in Kolkata, which is worth visiting again. So the botanical garden is there, a very big botanical garden is there, and that botanical garden is famous for banyan trees. Botanical garden ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದವು ಆಲದ ಮರಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಅದಾವ, banyan trees. So it is also worth visiting. Next, many more educational institutions are there in Kolkata, and one is famous, that is the Shantiniketan. Okay, Shantiniketan ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಏನು ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ which is very famous in Kolkata. You can visit that also. And next, other places of interests are Birla Planetarium, Rabindra Sarovar, Alipur Zoo, etc. So many planetarium ಐತಿ, Birla Planetarium. Okay, that is also very beautiful and it is also worth visiting. Next, Rabindra Sarovar ಅಂತ ಐತಿ, Alipur Zoo ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಾಲಯ ಐತಿ. So these all places are very famous in Kolkata, and the National Library has more than 1 crore books. National ಏನೈತಿ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಐತಿ ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಒಳಗೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದಾವು ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 1 crore ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಕೋಟಿಗಿಂತನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಾವ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಒಳಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ, ಹೌದಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೌರಿಘಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ. ಒಂದು ಏನೈತಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಐತಿ ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಚೌರಿಂಘಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. Okay, so these all are the about the monuments and places which we can visit whenever you are going to visit the Kolkata. Okay, so just write it down. After this we will discuss those. Write the correct option. Okay, write it. So the famous Howrah Bridge is built over the river called Hooghly. The Victoria Memorial is a beautiful monument which is located in Kolkata. And the famous Eden Gardens cricket ground is also located here. The Botanical Garden is known for its banyan trees, and Shantiniketan and other some educational institutions are famous worldwide. Okay, so next, see here. Okay, tick right the correct option. Correct option. Okay, and they have given 4 questions here, and for every each question they have given 2 boxes. One is for yes, another one is for no. So you have to put the right mark if it is yes or no. Okay, so see here, first one, the French made Kolkata as the capital of India. Capital of India in 1911. Okay, and they have given 2 boxes here. One is for yes, and the one is for no. Okay, and the second one is Kolkata is the most populous metropolitan city. Metropolitan city in India. Okay. Now the third one, tram is the popular mode of transport. In Kolkata. And again there are 2 boxes. Now the last and the 4th question is, that is Howrah Bridge is built over the River Ganga. There are also 2 boxes. Okay. Now see the answers here. First one, the French made Kolkata as the capital of India in 1911. Is it yes or no? It is no. Why it is no? Because not the French but the British. The British made of Kolkata as the capital of India in 1911. Not French. So put the right mark for the no box. Second one, Kolkata is the most populous metropolitan city in India. Yes, it is. Put the right mark in the yes box. Now next one, train is a popular mode of transport in Kolkata. Yes, it is. Yes. Put the right mark in the yes box. Now 4th one, Howrah Bridge is built over the River Ganga. No. It is no. Put the right mark in the no box. Because Howrah Bridge is built over the river. Which river is that? That is Hooghly, not Ganga. Okay. So these are the some of the questions they have given here. Just write it down. After that we will discuss about the amusement parks, shopping malls and markets. Okay. Write it down. Okay, so the French made Kolkata as the capital of India in 1911 is known. Next, Kolkata is the most populous metropolitan city in India. Yes. And tram is the popular mode of transport in Kolkata. It is yes. Next, Howrah Bridge is built over the river Ganga. No. Okay. So see here. Next. Amusement parks. Shopping malls. Shopping malls and markets. Okay, so see here, first I will write the related points to it. The amusement parks in Kolkata are special attraction for tourists and locals. Of course, you know, Kolkata bahar taradu different types amusement parks dava, and these all parks attracts the tourists. Okay, and locals as well. And some of the famous amusement parks in Kolkata are, see here, some of the famous amusement parks. Some of the famous amusement parks are Millennium Park, Millennium Parks, a Rolling Park in England. Okay. Next, Science City. Science City. Next, Nico Park. Nico Park and Aquatica. Okay. Aquatica Park and water park as well. Water park. Okay. So see here, the Forum Mall was the first shopping mall in Kolkata. The Forum Mall. In Kolkata. And other shopping malls like other shopping malls. Andre ಈ Forum Mall ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನದಾವು shopping malls ಅದಾವ. Other shopping malls. So which are those? Those are city center. City center. Next, the Garihart Mall. Okay, Garihart Mall, etc. You know that. Okay, and the main markets in Kolkata are the main markets. Fancy Market, Fancy Market, AC Market, AC Market, Body still many are there. Okay. So this is something about the amusement parks, shopping malls and markets. So ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಅಮ್ಯೂಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾವು ಫೇಮಸ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಕೋ ಪಾರ್ಕ್, ಅಕ್ವಾಟಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್. These all are the very famous parks over the in Kolkata. Okay. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಫೋರಮ್ ಮಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಫೋರಮ್ ಮಾಲನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಒಳಗೆ? ಅದರ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಲ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಐತಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗರಿಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಐತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ಭಾಳ ಅದಾವ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್ which are in Kolkata like Fancy Market, AC Market and Taiti, and Khadi Gramodyog Bhavan Market. These are the some famous markets. Okay, so just write it down. And here this lesson has finished. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ PDF ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, PDF ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ ಟುಮಾರೋಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. Okay, so this is it for today. The remaining part of a new